Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV with another quick tip. With colder weather on the way, it seems like a good time for a little reminder on why it's important to maintain proper tire pressure.
Tires are one of the most used parts of your vehicle. You drive on them every day, but they're often the most neglected. Remember, they lose pressure when it gets colder. For every 5 to 7 degree drop in temperature, your tire is going to lose 1 psi. They may also lose up to 2 psi each month just from general use. So get yourself a decent tire gauge and make sure to check the tires at least once a month. And don't forget about your spare. A tire can be underinflated by 20% or more and still look normal, so always measure it. The tire information label is usually located inside the driver's door frame. Proper tire maintenance is not only key to safe driving, but will also improve fuel efficiency, extend tire life, provide better handling, and help prevent avoidable collisions and breakdowns. If you want more information, check out our video Understanding Tire Pressure, and make sure to stay tuned for more quick tips.